Understanding character choices in English. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating concept of character choices. This phrase is often used in various contexts, especially in literature, drama, and everyday life. Understanding this will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also enrich your comprehension of character dynamics in stories and real life. So, let's dive in. Character choices refers to the decisions and actions that a character in a story, a play, or in real life makes. These choices are crucial because they reveal the character's personality, values, and motivations. In literature or drama, understanding these choices helps us to understand the character's development and the story's progression. Let's look at some examples. In literature, a character might choose to face a challenge bravely, showing courage. In movies, a character's decision to sacrifice something important for a greater good illustrates their selflessness or heroism. These choices help the audience or readers to connect with the characters and understand the narrative better. Character choices have a significant impact on the plot and direction of a story. They can lead to various outcomes like resolving conflicts or creating new ones. In real life, discussing character choices can be a way to talk about decision-making and moral dilemmas. It reflects how our choices define us. When analyzing character choices, consider why a character made a particular decision. What were their motivations? Were they influenced by their environment, experiences, or personal traits? This analysis is essential in literature studies, film critique, and even in personal development. In conclusion, character choices is a powerful concept that helps us understand the dynamics of storytelling and human behavior. Whether you're reading a book, watching a movie, or observing real-life scenarios, thinking about the character choices can offer deeper insights into the narrative and the characters. I hope this video has been enlightening, and you'll now look at characters and their choices in a new light. Happy learning and see you in our next video.